Are you tired of making simple mistakes in your writing? Developing a proofreading checklist can help you catch errors before they slip through the cracks. Start by reviewing the overall structure of your writing. Check for a clear introduction, body, and conclusion. Ensure that your ideas flow logically from one point to the next. Next, focus on grammar and punctuation. Look for common mistakes such as subject-verb agreement, verb tense consistency, and proper comma usage. Take the time to correct any errors you find. Don't forget to pay attention to spelling and word choice. Use a spell checker to catch any typos, and consider using a thesaurus to find better, more precise words. Lastly, read your writing out loud. This can help you identify awkward phrasing or repetitive language. Make any necessary revisions to improve the overall readability of your work. By following these steps and creating your own personalized proofreading checklist, you can ensure that your writing is clear, concise, and error-free every time. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.